Welcome once again into our sacred space. I'm your mystic gifted oracle, the GEMSTAR, thanking you for subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting, and for your patronage. Reaching out to us at angelicwhispers13 at yahoo.com for your own personal private readings. We thank you so very much, and we hope that we return the blessing. Welcome once again to Messages from the Kettle. These are timeless, totally general readings, no zodiac signs applied. There are 7 kettles before you. Please do take a moment to look at these kettles before you, K1 through K7, and choose your kettle or kettles. If you have chosen tea kettle number 1, these are your general messages. Tea kettle number 1, you're like Alice in Wonderland. New worlds are calling you forth where the old rules don't apply. It might seem strange or freeing or wild or even scary at first, but you are meant to explore these worlds. You will gain so much experience. There's no need to be afraid. Step into the new world that is calling you, where there are no old rules. Only new rules will apply. And it might seem strange, but at the same time, it might be freeing and even wild and even scary at first. But this adventure is calling you forth. Are you ready to open that door and walk through it? Tea kettle number 1. Tea kettle number 1. Some blessings are obvious. The door that opens, the person who says yes, and the instant success of an idea. But not all blessings are instantly recognizable. Some blessings are so veiled that at first you might consider them to be unwanted developments. A concealed blessing is either already at work in your life, tea kettle number 1, or it's on the way. So don't worry if you feel like things aren't working out as they should. Soon enough, the disguise will be dropped and the blessed unmasked in all its beauty. Have you been playing your cards close to your chest, tea kettle number 1? Have you been waiting for the universe to give you a sign? For life to show you how to proceed? Sometimes, tea kettle number 1, we need to be patient and surrender. But there's also a time to take the initiative. It's your time to show your hand to the universe What do you want, tea kettle number one? What can you offer? Ask, express, expect. The universe is waiting for you to make your move, tea kettle number one. Let's give you an angel blessing to close off these messages. Do you realize that you are magnificent, tea kettle number one? Believe in your magnificence and embrace your power. Know that you are strong enough to set boundaries with others and assert yourself in a loving manner. Allow yourself to be who you truly are, a loving and magnificent being. The angel of inner strength is here to bless this tea kettle reading. It is safe for you to be powerful in loving ways, tea kettle number one. You are magnificent in every way. You have the strength to do anything you set out to do with loving intention. Be grateful for the courage that's being stirred up in you, and be grateful for the courage to be all you can be. If you have enjoyed this message, please hit the like button in support and leave a comment in the comment section. Until we sit tea again, be well and ciao. If you have chosen tea kettle number two, these are your general messages. You are feeling raw, rare, and real right now. Tea kettle number two. There is a unique beauty in you that wants to shine through, tea kettle number two. It is different. It might not be pretty, neat, and tidy, and you may even feel vulnerable about sharing this real, unveiled you to the world. But do it anyway, because the world wants to love you, the rare, raw, and real you, tea kettle number two. You have something to say, so let your voice be heard, angel. There is a unique voice within you that wants to be expressed creatively in the world, tea kettle number two. Whether it is a conversation you need to have, a truth stated, a song to be sung, or a book to be written, honor your voice, tea kettle number two. Know that it is inspired and can help not only your own spiritual growth, but support others on their path too. If you were proud of who you are and everything you have learned in life, free from shame, guilt, or judgment, would you choose for yourself today what you have chosen? Or would you choose something different? Have you had enough of the dark side of life, tea kettle number two? Fear, doubt, uncertainty, anxiety, frustration, and believing that you cannot manifest your dreams. These are signs that you've been in the darkness too long, tea kettle number two. It's your time to step out of the darkness and into the light. To close off this message and your reading, Tea Kettle number 2. Let's see what angel comes down for you. Tea Kettle number 2, are you feeling agitated? Is there something you find hard to swallow? Are you having digestive difficulties or having a hard time speaking up? Pay attention to what you are thinking or talking about while you eat. Eat wholesome foods, thoughts, and conversations that make it easier for you to process and accept. Know that at this time, the angel of digestion is with you. If you have been having trouble with your digestion, it may be because you are holding too much within. You are suffering in silence, hence affecting your digestive system. Your appetite needs to be balanced and healthy at this time, Tea Kettle number 1. Number 2, check out the message for Kettle number 1 as well. But your digestive system needs to function normally, and it will once you are at ease with your physical body, once you are comfortable in your surroundings. It's time to stop suffering in silence. The people and situations in your life need to nourish you, not break your spirit down. So choose nurturing individuals to share your life and experiences with. And if your body feels tense or is rejecting another, know that that is your body and your intuition telling you that it's best to keep your distance, as that energy can disrupt your digestive system. If you have enjoyed these messages, please hit the like button and support and leave your comments in the comment section. Until we sip tea again, be well, stay blessed, and ciao. If you have chosen tea kettle number 3, then you are the juggler, and these are your general messages. Many projects are in the air, aspirations and inspirations everywhere. Action to take, tea kettle number 3, commitments to make, and yet another will soon join the fray. But say yes, do not delay, for it will all work out in a perfect way. You are very clever, tea kettle number 3. You know how to play an impressive game of strategy to win approval and to gain allies, even without always noticing it consciously. You can sense what people want. Sometimes you are so good at showering others and showing others what they want to see that you forget how beautiful you are when you are just being you. But your time has come, tea kettle number 3, the time to unveil the one true real you and attract the allies who are not interested in what you can do for them, but who loves you for who you really are. Tea kettle number 3. Love in all forms is on its way. A circus of love, a circus of play. It is the ultimate prize in the game of life. Tea kettle number 3. But you've got to be in it to win it. Forget excuses and open your heart to love, to life, to luck, to laughter. For the circus of love is rolling in to your soul town. And it's time for you to be swept off your feet. Some blessings are obvious. The door that opens, the person who says yes, and the instant success of an idea. But not all blessings are instantly recognizable, as you will be having options, especially in love. Some blessings are so veiled that at first you might consider them to be unwanted or undeveloped. So don't choose a book by its cover, for a concealed blessing is either already at work in your life or already on the way. Be ready for a different kind of love. Don't worry if you feel like things aren't working out as they should. Soon enough, the disguise will be dropped and the blessed unmasked in all its beauty will reveal itself. Let's choose an angel to close out this reading. Tea kettle number 3. You have the angel of good fortune. So go for that love, even if they are not your usual cup of tea. You are going to be incredibly lucky, tea kettle number 3. You have many blessings in your life. Abundance and prosperity are constantly flowing in your life. So be grateful for these gifts. Feel safe and adventurous. Travel and set yourselves free. Do you wish for more luck? Be assured that you have all the luck you need, tea kettle number 3. It's almost as if you have a 4-leaf clover in your pocket. Focus on your vast abundance and you will attract more. You have good luck on your side right now and great adventure when you travel. If you have enjoyed these messages, please hit the like button in support and leave your comments in the comment section. Until we sit tea again, be well, stay blessed, and ciao. If you have chosen tea kettle number 4, then Lady Luck is on your side. Lady Luck is on your side. Tea kettle number 4, a change of fortune is in store for you. A twist of fate that is meant to be. You're a winner, 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 chicken dinner, baby. You are about to hit the jackpot because the Joker is wild. The universe has a sense of humor, tea kettle number 4, but never at your expense. It is laughing with you right now, not at you. You'll see this for yourself as the Joker weaves its magic in your life, bringing you the grace that is beyond all reason, the necessary ingredient to ensure you win with the hand you have been dealt by life. There's nothing impossible for you, tea kettle number 4, when the Joker goes wild. The Joker's wild ways can transform a losing streak into a lifelong love affair with Lady Luck. Cunning and clever you are, helping you discern the truth from lies at this time. Trust your intuition because you are lucky and so is your inner guide. Right now, you are reminded that there are half-truths being told to you at this time. Yet in the shadows is the information yet to be known. When the time is right, the light will shine and be very bright, and confusion will be gone, and understanding will give way. If you are confused with the options you have before you, just give it a little more time. Be a little more patient as those masks fall off your option and the true worthy option will be known and shown to you. Tea kettle number 4. Let's see what angel is coming down on your reading. The angel of balance. Are you dealing with an inflamed or unbalanced situation? Tea kettle number 4. Do you have imbalances in your body at this time? Balance your emotions through journaling, exercising, and healthy communication at this time. Take care of your body, mind, and spirit. Yoga and meditation are very, very beneficial for you at this time. Your body should be healthy and balanced. Your cells naturally regenerate and rejuvenate themselves so that all of your systems are functioning harmoniously. Stay calm and relaxed as you approach these decisions and these choices ahead of you. Remain patient and wait for the true gold nugget to reveal itself. Exercise your calm and patience regularly. Enjoy times of meditation and make sure to practice them regularly. If you have enjoyed these messages, please hit the like button in support of them and leave your comments in the comment section. Until we sit here again, be well, stay blessed, namaste, and ciao. If you have chosen tea kettle number 5, what are these masks all about? Are they yours? Are they another's? Tea kettle number 5. Who do you want to be? Try that self on for size. Tea kettle number 5. You might just discover another genuine facet of you beyond your known identity. Let the masks fall off. Act as you wish to be, and so you shall be. Do not act as others want you to be. Don't be a puppet to the puppeteer. Let these masks that you have put on for others fall away. Be your authentic, true selves. Act as you wish to be, and so it shall be. A rare prize is to be bestowed upon you, tea kettle number 5. The universe is confirming that the most luscious dreams of your heart are being nurtured into manifestation as you become your authentic true selves. To end this, you shall be given a saving grace, an intervention if needs be, to knock off the masks that you have been wearing for others, to be open to receive, surrender doubt in favor of unconditional trust at this time, especially trusting yourselves. Through your trust and optimism, you will make it easier for the universe to give you a most deserved gift. 1, 2, 3. Trust in what you see, tea kettle number 5. 4, 5, 6. The truth behind the tricks. 7, 8, 9. Clarity is divine. You shall see what you need to see at the perfect moment. It shall be. If the masks are not being worn by you, you will see soon the true face of another. So get ready for it, tea kettle number 5, for the truth of a person is about to be revealed to you. Let's see what angel is blessing your tea kettle. The angel of protection. The angel of protection is coming down on your reading because you need it at this time to shield yourself from others who are wearing a mask and pretending to be something that they are not. They are giving you what you want to hear. They are doing what you expect of them, but nothing is genuine. Nothing is authentic. Soon you will ask for something that will be denied, and the mask will fall off, and you will finally see the true face of another. Tea kettle number 5. Do you fear betrayal? Do you feel threatened in some way? Are you surrounded by negative or untrustworthy people? Then grab your black tourmaline. Focus your intention on deflecting the negativity from those wearing masks around you. Ask your angels to expose these charlatans to you. Know that your angels and your spirit guides are watching out for you at this time. You are safe and sound. You are out of harm's way and all is well. You will surround yourself now by trustworthy people, as the fakes and the phonies and the charlatans will be exposed and you will be able to remove them from your life. You are truly blessed for being able to see your enemy and being able to remove them. Tea kettle number 5. You are always divinely protected. You are enveloped in your guardian angel's wings, surrounded by goodness and well-being. Use your black tourmaline at this time, tea kettle number 5, as there are those around you that are pretending to be something that they're not. They are smiling assassins, and you must put up your shield to protect you from being stabbed in the back. If you have enjoyed these messages, please hit the like button in support and leave your comments in the comment section. Until we sit here again, be well, stay blessed, and ciao. If you have chosen tea kettle number 6, these are your general messages. You are going to witness the impossible made possible, tea kettle number 6. Whatever you think is lost is not. Whatever you think cannot be shall be. The universe is going to intervene at this time, and what seems to be over shall, in a new way, live again. Sometimes what you want is right in front of your nose, tea kettle number 6, just waiting to be recognized. At other times, what you want is more like a treasure hidden within the depths of your oceanic being. You have to go diving deep to find it. Diving deep to find what you desire, what you most want, need, desire, and crave has been bubbling up from within you, tea kettle number 6. It is rising up from the depths of you now. It's time for you to discover an inner treasure. It's time for you to go fish. Just as nature imbues the butterfly with an innate ability for radical transformation, so too do you have natural instincts within, guiding you to grow in a dramatic, utterly life-changing way. Progress is your perfection. Growth is your attainment. Do you shun what you have been or mistakes you have made? Or instead, do you wear your ability for transformation as a sacred crown of power? It is time for you, tea kettle number 6, to transform, to become a whole new you, and to welcome these beautiful changes. Let's see what angel is coming down on your reading today. The angel of health, wealth, and happiness. How is your health, tea kettle number 6? What's going on for you financially? Take the necessary steps to improve your well-being. Eat health-promoting foods and incorporate exercise into your daily life. You have good fortune and live a charmed life. Wear a jade if possible at this time. You are healthy, prosperous, and happy, tea kettle number 6, or are about to be. So be grateful for and enjoy all of the gifts that are about to come into your life. For all is well, and you will be joyous, and life will be good again. Have gratitude, 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 tea kettle number 6. If you have enjoyed these messages, please hit the like button in support and leave your comments in the comment section. Until we sip tea again, be well, stay blessed, namaste, and ciao. If you have chosen tea kettle number 7, these are your general messages. You've known violence in your life, maybe on the outside, maybe on the inside, with a mind that has tortured you with fear, shame, darkness, and doubt. But enough of that now, tea kettle number 7. It is time for a gentler way, less pain, more gain, no more torture. It's your time for sweet treats. You are clever, tea kettle number 7. You know how to play an impressive game of strategy to win the approvals and gain allies. Even without always noticing it consciously, you can sense what people want. Sometimes you are so good at showing others what they want to see that you forget how beautiful you are when you are just being you, tea kettle number 7. But your time has come, the time to unveil the one true real you and attract the allies who are not interested in what you can do for them, but who love you for who you really are. Something in you needs to be unleashed, tea kettle number 7. This is not quiet and steady growth, but more like a wild explosion of creative energy and sacred fire. The sparks, your rapid growth, will create this innate energy in your mind, body, and soul to inspire and expand you beyond your own beliefs. This is a time where the impossible is made possible through the belief in yourselves. Your light will shine far and wide. Kettle number 7. You cannot control it, but you can trust it because it is your soul divine light now being released through you from within you. Imagine a life free from concern about the opinions of others. Kettle number 7. A life where you're free and brave enough, free enough, trusting enough to play the fool, to make a choice, even if it seems illogical, unreasonable, daring, or downright foolish. At this time, cast aside sensible opinions and poker faces. You are now invited to live unafraid, K7, to take a risk and step away from the confines of what seems sensible and logical in life. Let's see what angel comes upon your reading now. The angel of boundaries, Kettle number 7. Are you allowing someone or something to drain your energy? Establish boundaries. Surround yourself in a protective shield to deflect negative energy. Tap into the ancient wisdom within to transform your life. Wear amber and use amber at this time to reinforce these boundaries. Have courage to set boundaries, Kettle number 7, with love and grace. Protect yourselves from negative energy at this time. You are connected to the powerful ancient wisdom that keeps you safe and provides you with the know-how to make positive changes at this time. Trust those inklings, that intuition, that inner guide, for it is steering you in the right direction. If you have enjoyed these messages, Kettle number 7, please hit the like button in support and leave your comments in the comments section. Until we sip tea again, be well, stay blessed, namaste, and ciao. Thank you for watching and supporting our work on this channel and for your patronage. We appreciate you and we love you. Until we sip tea again in that tea room, be well, stay blessed, and ciao.